calling? You sure you want to? I don't think you want to know who's calling, man. You really don't want to know. Just go get Trump. No. Just tell him it's pertaining to the recent budget. The waste budget. Yes, we put together. Yes. I'll hold. Boy, Papa Jesus, you is God. Yes. Hello? Trump? Miss Sam here. Nobody ask me how me I do. Don't ask me how me do it. You well I know how the whole damn country I do. Because you're making our life a misery and a hell. Right, let me tell you something. And listen to me good, because me only I gotta tell you it once. Me soon come up there, you know. Me soon come up there. And you know, while me come up there, with the people that march all the way outside the White House, you know. Because the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna paint it black. May I tell you that, and you'll be horrified. So if you know what you do, you listen very keenly to what me have to say now. Right? Listen. Is what planet you bound pan? Pluto? Eh? What you mean? What me mean? How can you be taking away funding from the poor? Huh? You want to take away funding from the schools? You want to take funding from the daycare them? You want to take funding from the seniors? We can't even get my words out right because we're so pissed off with you right now. Huh? Everybody that is struggling in all the good programs to help people around the country, you want to cut their funding. Just like how you cut the funding for the hospitals them, you son of a bitch. I'm in a business. Never tell you how it is. You're a wicked, dirty dog. Trust me. You know what, Trump? You're gonna play yourself right out of that White House. And it's not going to be anything nice. May I tell you, I don't have to pray no bad prayers for you. You are bringing bad karma to yourself and bad energy. And let me tell you something, Trump. I'm not gonna be able to help you when the chips fall down. Huh? May I tell you, somebody gonna reach you, you know? And it's not going to be nice. Me saying when I feel sorry for you, trust me. How could you be cutting the budget from the poor people? Huh? And now they want to raise interest. On everything. The interest alone on the deficit of this country is $1 trillion. And we owe 19 trillion. Huh? Disgrace, me I tell you. Yeah, me know the problem was there before you got into it. Yes, me know. That is true, but it's Bush administration caused all of this because you could call Clinton a dog. But one thing you can't say, he did good with the budget. He done very well. We were in a surplus when Clinton came out of power. Bush get it in good standing and he mess it up and then want to give it to Obama and everybody expect Obama wave a magic wand and it goes so. But he was a dog. Yeah, I couldn't sign us then, man. Yeah, I couldn't sign us now because they're so upset. And from you have something for sure. You have something to prove. You want to build wall. You want to get to the immigrants. You want them out of the country. Let me tell you something. It's immigrants that build this country here. We do the jobs where somehow, you know, people who born here don't want to do. So let me tell you, if you want to send everybody back to where they belong, you need to go where you belong. And that's straight to hell. You hear me, sir? That's straight to hell. Right, you're an immigrant too. Your mama, let's not talk about your mama. And let's not talk about your papa. I don't like talking irrespectively of the dead. But don't make me go there, you know, Trump. Don't make me go there. Don't make me go there. You hear me? Oh, because you're not going to like me very much. And you say, you can't touch me. And if you try to touch me, God will deal with you. Alright, but me know say you don't believe in no God, you know. Me know that you don't believe in no God. Trust me, but watch the ride, because you're going to be wailing and gnashing at teeth soon. Trust me, me very pissed off about it, you know, Joe. Me very, very pissed off about it. Me know say you was wicked, but me never did know say you was that the evilous. Yes. Listen, not even Satan wants you in hell. Trust me. Right now, the Pope do better than you. You know, see the Pope not like you. And you know what the Vatican did? The Pope don't like you. What does that tell you? Hey. And then it's the wickedest one in the Vatican, and them don't like you. I have no respect for you. Lord Jesus, Holy Ghost, help me. I try and worship the Lord and serve the Lord in righteousness, and Satan just send you in my life. By the way, your tax them leak out. Your tax document them leak out. You see, God not sleep. God not sleeping. There's a lot more to be revealed. A lot more. Everybody dirty laundry I hang out now, you know, Trump. Everybody dirty laundry I hang out. I am so, let me tell you something. I am so pissed with me this year right now. President and no waste president. Will I lick you down the ground? I mean, I care. When I keep on my mouth. When I keep on my tongue. Yes. Me never cook no food to make you sick and the waste cabinet sick. You want food from Miss Pinky restaurant. Me never set that up for Miss Pinky if you do that to you. So for your business if you want your Miss Pinky food and get sick and shit up the place. You damn shit out, yo. Listen, Trump, me have to go. Me have things to do. You know, have nothing to do. Yeah. You want to take money from the poor little kids, them. Next minute, you can want to take the little lunch. You can want to start with them there, make them go to school, hungry belly. I know some of them parents can't even afford to cook them a meal. And the only time they really eat is a good little snack and a good lunch at school. And all that you probably want to cut. You see you? You, hey, me I keep on me mouth, you know, me I keep on me mouth right now, that's what me want to say. But you see you? Hey, time is going to take care of you and karma is going to take care of you. Trust me. You're going to sorry the day you're born. Right. Anyway, me I forgot. Me don't want to talk to you, Trump. Me don't want to talk to you. Good day. Kiss me ass. Bye. We have a special order. We have a special order for Washington, D.C. So we're going to put it on the plane. We're going to pack up all the food, everything, and make sure you find your backside. Don't let it White House. Nobody get lost now, you know that, right? Don't get lost now. Because this is big box. There's no fire, yo. Right. All right, then. This is at the last part of the meal to do now. They have fixed it up, it look real nice.